Welcome. In this video I'm going to show you how you can fix connection issues with your SoundPeats T3. Okay, so to do this we have to open this charging case and remove both earbuds. As you can see, in my case they are not visible. They are blinking, but unfortunately I cannot find them. So what do you have to do? We have to grab these both earbuds and then click and hold for the left and the right touchpad for at least 10 seconds. And we have to hold it until this indicator blinks quickly 3 times. After that, they will turn off, and then we have to release them and click and hold one more time until this indicator blinks quickly 2 times. Then we have to put them back to the case and remove them. Let me show you. So as you can see, they are turned on. So we have to click and hold. Right now they blink, so release and click and hold one more time until they blinks for the 2 times. Yeah, just like that. Right now, put them back to the charging case. Close it for a few seconds. On your phone, at this time, you can simply go back and restart the Bluetooth settings. Next, open this charging case. And right now, they will go to the pairing mode automatically. So the left one will start will start with the solid blue light, and the right one will start blinking slowly. Take a look. When you go to pair new device right now, we can find them on the list. Accept pairing. And as you can see right now, we are successfully connected. So that's all for this video. Hope you like it.